students, welcome to the sixth session of chapter 4 Force and Pressure of subject science of class 8th. The topic for today is liquid pressure. Students, liquid also exert pressure due to its weight on the bottom of its container. As the solid, they exert pressure on the surface supporting it. So the pressure exerted by a stationary liquid kept in a container at any point inside the liquid is known as hydrostatic pressure. Characteristics of liquid pressure or properties of liquid pressure are: pressure increase with depth, that is, it increases with increase in liquid column above the point at which pressure is observed. Pressure acts in all directions. Pressure at 2 points at the same level in the same liquid are equal. Pressure does not depend upon the area of surface. Pressure does not depend on the shape or size of container, and liquid pressure depend on density of liquid, that is, heavier liquids like mercury exert more pressure, but lighter liquid like oil exert less pressure. Pressure increases with depth. To prove this, we can do this activity. What we have to do? We have to take a tin can and we have to make 3 holes on it. Then we have to cover these holes with sellotapes and we will fill this can with water. Now when we remove the tape from the holes, what we will observe? The streams of water are coming out of these holes. We observe that the stream from the lower hole travel a larger distance. What it shows? The emergent water goes out further from the lower holes. This is because the pressure of water increase with the increase in the depth of the hole. Hence, the water pressure at a point increases with the height of water column above it. Now, you can repeat this activity by using different types of liquids like vegetable oils or honey or glycerin, etc. We can observe that the pressure exerted by different liquid will be different, means this depend on the density of the liquid. Next property is pressure depends on height but not on the shape. You can see on your screen there are different types of cans of different shapes. All these containers have same height. Therefore, the pressure at the bottom of each is same. It means the pressure depends on only height, not on the shape. We can prove another property of liquid pressure, that liquid pressure is transmitted equally in all directions and as is same at given horizontal level. For this, one activity 9 is given in your book. In this activity, what is done? A can is taken and a number of holes at same level are made using a sharp pin. Now what we will do? We will cover these holes with the sellotape and we will fill this container with water. When we will remove the tape, then water will emerge out from all these holes with equal force. And what we will do next step is we will mark the points on the floor where the water has fallen. Now we will join all the points to form a closed figure like a circle. This shows that liquid pressure is transmitted equally in all direction and is same at a given horizontal level. Now we will study another liquid pressure property, that pressure exerted by liquid column at the bottom of container increase with an increase in the height of its column. For this, what we will do, we have to take two transparent pipes. The length of pipe should be 15 to 20 centimeter and its diameter may be about 6 centimeter. Means we have to take two transparent pipes of same diameter and length. Then what we have to do, we have to stretch a rubber balloon sheet over one end of both the pipes, and we have to hold the pipe in vertical position, and when we will pour water in the pipe, what will happen, the rubber balloon will bulge out. Now what we will do, we will put more water in second test tube, and then what we will observe, we will observe that there is an increase in bulge of rubber balloon in second case. Why it is so? It is because of the increase in the height of water column of second tube. So this shows that pressure exerted by water column at the bottom of container increase with increase in the height of its column. More is the height of the column, more will be the liquid pressure. Now these are the properties of liquid pressure. Now you have to answer the following question. Question number, when will a diver experience a greater pressure? 100 centimeter below the surface of water or 20 to 100 centimeter below the surface of water? Justify your answer. And now in second question, look at the picture. Three holes A, B and C are made in an empty can at different levels, one over the other as shown in the figure. They are temporarily closed with an adhesive tape. The can is now filled with water. What will you observe when the tape on all of them is pulled out? Justify your answer. Question number 3. Make two tiny holes of same size at equal heights from the bottom in a plastic bottle. Cover them and fill the bottle with water. Let the covers be removed. State the observation and the resulting conclusion based on this activity. You have to write answers of these questions in your rough notebook. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.